Once upon a quiet morning in a peaceful countryside village, there lived a thoughtful young girl named Emily. She wasn't famous. She wasn't special by birth. But she carried a rare curiosity that made her different. Emily loved learning new things, especially the English language. To her, words felt alive. Each sentence sounded like a small adventure. One bright afternoon, while walking through the narrow village path, Emily noticed something unusual. A worn-out book, half covered in dust, lying silently near the roadside. Something about it felt strange yet inviting. She picked it up, gently brushing away the dust. Inside were pages full of stories, waiting, as if they had been calling her name. Without hesitation, Emily took the book home. Every day after finishing her chores, she would sit beside the window where sunlight touched the pages just right and dive into the world of English stories. She began with simple tales: animals, forests, flowing rivers. Slowly, the stories grew deeper, the words more challenging. Whenever she found unfamiliar words, she underlined them carefully. She asked her family for help with meanings and pronunciation. They always supported her, smiling at her determination. One evening, while reading about a fearless princess who saved her land from darkness, Emily discovered a new word. It meant brave, unshaken, strong in the face of fear. She wrote it proudly in her notebook, feeling as if she had claimed a treasure. Days turned into months, and Emily's English improved remarkably. She began speaking confidently, even with travelers passing through the village. During a lively festival in the town square, she met English-speaking tourists. With a deep breath and steady voice, Emily started a conversation. To her surprise, she understood them, and they understood her. Impressed by her skills and courage, the travelers invited Emily to join them on their journey. With mixed emotions and shining eyes, Emily said goodbye to her village and stepped into a world she had only read about. As she traveled across distant lands, met new cultures, and formed lasting friendships, Emily realized something powerful. A single book, one moment of curiosity, had changed her entire life. And her journey, it didn't end there, because some stories don't finish. They begin again. So tell me, what if one small discovery could change your future too? And what would you do if the next video was waiting for you?